So you're tired of fast food but want something to eat really fast? Well, just keep watching. I've got a pasta and shrimp recipe that's less than 20 minutes. And you know it's going to be good. And your ingredients include extra virgin olive oil spray, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, Parmesan fresh if you have it, basil, thyme, Italian parsley, whole wheat penne, and shrimp. Start off by cooking your whole wheat penne based on your recommended instructions. Next, I'm going to finely chop up my basil, my thyme, and my parsley. And as always, specific directions and ingredients will be listed in the description box below. To all of my loyal subscribers, thanks so much for coming back to my videos week after week. And you know what I say, one big hug from me to you. You're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by my channel on today. And I hope that you love my video so much that you'll give me a thumbs up and you will subscribe right now. Make sure you hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Spray your frying pan with olive oil cooking spray. Then add your shrimp. Make sure to stir constantly and cook your shrimp from 5 to 7 minutes. Add salt and pepper, as little or as much as you desire. And just like that, this meal is about to come together. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to toss in my shrimp, my fresh herbs, and Parmesan cheese. We are so close to 500 subscribers. So again, I need your help. Make sure you like, you comment, and you share today's video. And I'm excited about reaching this milestone. And you know there's a $100 gift card giveaway when I reach 500 subbies. Who knows? You might just win. In fact, get a girlfriend. Get one of your boys to join the channel today. And perhaps you can split it 50-50. Make sure your post notification is set to all so you never miss a video upload. Videos are posted Tuesday and Friday, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media outlets. On Twitter at Pastor J, the AKA. On Facebook, Priceless Pearl Life. And let's not forget about Instagram, simply Katrina Johnson. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.